We are converting this single-story family home into 2 stories. My name is Jojo with the SOJO team. Today we're going to be planning with the team. We're making sure when we get the permit applied, everything is done from planning, making sure the foundation work is planned for, removing the walls, drywall, all of that is planned out. So right when we get the permit, when we start, the sequence is already built in. Our team can start and make sure we complete the project on time. To kind of give you a synopsis on what we're doing here is we're going to take this again, take the single family home, single level into 2 levels. We're going to be gutting out the walls. We're taking out a kitchen wall on the other side, extending it out, giving our clients a 14 feet beautiful island. We're going to be taking, this side, this wall window out. We're going to be attaching it to the garage side over there. So their living area / family room is a lot larger. We're going to be giving them full baths. We're going to be giving them walk-in closets. And again, we're adding a second story. So what we do is part of the planning. We actually talk about removing walls, load-bearing walls, the costs, the max cost, the minimum cost. So they have an idea and we give them a max budget and we work our way down from the max budget. Whereas a lot of contractors and builders, what they do is they give a minimum price and all these change orders happen and the price just increases and the project timeline increases. Then you have frustrated clients and you have frustrated contractors. The way we approach things, when we give them the max price and we work our way down, the clients are more happy because the job sometimes gets cheaper instead of getting more expensive. So again, my name is Jojo with the SOJO team. Please like, subscribe, share. We're bringing a lot of cool content. If you're in the San Jose area, stay tuned, share.